divided into 8 equal parts. If I take 5 equal parts from these 8 parts, now I take 5 from 8, or 5 over 8, 5 eighths, and the second circle I take 3 shaded parts from 8 equal parts, or 3 eighths. Now, which part is the greater? The first part. And the second part is the smaller part. So now we can say that 3 eighths is less than 5 eighths. Or 5 eighths is greater than 3 eighths. Without looking at the shaded part or colored part, we can say that if I have two fractions have the same denominator, only look at the numerator. If the numerator is less than the second denominator, so the first fraction is less than the second fraction. So we can say here that if two fractions have the same denominator, the fraction that has a greater numerator is the greater fraction. By the way, complete using less than, equal, or greater than. 2/3 or 1/3, which is greater, we have the same denominator, and the first numerator 2, the second numerator is 1. So 2 is greater 1, so 2/3 is greater than 1/3. So put the sign. Now 4/5 and 2/5. Look at the denominator. We have the same denominator, and at the first we have 4 numerator. Here we have 2 in numerator, so 4 is greater than 2. So the whole fraction 4/5 is greater than 2/5. Now we have a fraction and a whole 1. We can say that 1 has 7 denominator and 1 equals 7/7 or 7/7. Now we have the same denominator, 7, and the first numerator is 3, the second denominator is 7. 3 is less than 7, so 3/7 is the whole 1. And we can note that 1 is the whole 1 is greater than any fraction, proper fraction. And we can remember that 1 equal any number divided by the same number. 1 equal 2 halves, or 2/2, equals 3 divided by 3, or 3/3, equal 4/4, or 4 divided by 4, and 1 equal 5/5, or 5 divided by 5, and so on. Now we are going to study the second part of our lesson is ordering fractions. And exercise number 1 is complete the number line. Now we have a number line from 0 to 1 and divided to 5 equal parts. So each part is representing or represents 1/5. So 1/5 and 2/5, 3/5 and 4/5. Now we can say that 2/5 is less than 4/5. Then the second exercise represents the following fractions on the number line: 9/10, 3/10, and 7/10. First, we have number line start from 0 to 1 and divided to 10 equal parts. 0 equals 0/10 or 0/10, and 1 equals 10/10. Now each part represents 1/10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9/10. And 3/10, 1, 2, 3. We can write here 3/10. Then 7 tenses after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tenses. Now we can see that the fraction 3 tenses is the smallest fraction and is less than 7 tenses. And 7 tenses is less than 9 tenses, and we can write it in ascending order. Three tenths, 7 tenths, and 9 tenths. All fractions here have the same denominator. The third exercise is arrange the following fractions ascendingly. Check at first that we have the same denominator. Yes, we have 6 in all denominators. So look at the numerator. 4, 1, and 2. 1 is the smallest fraction, the smallest denominator. So 1 6 is the smallest fraction, and we can write 1 6 at first and cancel it. Then 2 or 4, 2 is smaller numerator, so 2 6 is the smaller fraction, 2 6. Then 4 6 is the greatest fraction. Now we have 3/5, 1/5, and 1. We have 2 fractions and 1 whole number. As we know that 1 equals 5/5 or 5 divided 5. Now we have the same denominators, and look at the numerator. 3, 1, or 5 is the smallest number. 1 is the smallest denominator, so 1/5 is the smallest fraction, and cancel it. Now 3/5 or 5/5. 3/5 is smaller than 5/5. Now we can write 1, not 5/5. And our exercise is arrange the following descendingly, and descendingly means from the greatest to the smallest. Check at first that we have fractions have the same denominator. Now we have 1, and 1 equals how many tenses? Equals 10 tenses. Now look at the numerator, 9, 3, 10, and 7. Which is the greatest denominator? 10. 10 is the greatest numerator, so 10 tenses is the greatest number here. We can write 1, and we should write 1, not 10 tenses. After 1, 7, 3, or 9 is the greatest denominator. 9 is the greatest numerator, so 9 tenses is the greatest fraction here. 9 tenses. Then 3 or 7 is the greater numerator, so 7 tenses is the greatest fraction here. Now finally we have 3 tenses and 4 sevens, 3 sevens, 5 sevens. We have the same denominator. Okay, look at the numerator. 4, 3, or 5 is the greatest numerator. Yes, 5 is the greatest numerator, so 5 sevens is the greatest fraction. Write it.